Okay, good. Yeah, let we discuss types of pollutions. First, air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of a harmful substances in a air that results in a determine determinal impact to the environment and a humanity. Air pollution is a simply makes air pollution simply makes air unclean or contaminated. It occurs when harmful substances such as foreign gases, dust, or the fumes are the realized in the air. That level that can be harms the comfort or the health of the animals and human beings. Animals are human beings, or even destroy the destroy the plant's life, even also destroy the plant life. Example, high it includes the hydrocarbon dioxide hydrocarbon dioxide component, dust particulars dust particles, carbon monoxide. Next, water pollution. Water pollution is the act of the contaminating contaminating the water bodies. Act of the contaminating water bodies includes the river, ocean, lakes, stream, aqua, and underground water. It occurs when a foreign harmful materials like chemical wastewater chemical wastewater waste materials are contaminated substances that directly or indirectly discharged by discharged into a water bodies. Next, land pollution. Land pollution takes place when a waste and a garbages is not disposed of a right manner. By not disposing the right manner, introducing introducing tax taxane taxane are a chemical on a land. Taxane means poisonous and chemical on a land. It also occurs it also occurs when a people dumps a chemical products to the soil in the form of the her- hereditous fertilizers and fertilizers are pesticides are any form of a customs by the producer consumed by a product by any form of a consumed product. Next, land pollution declining the land pollution declining the quality of a earth land surface. It is directly directly and indirectly contained by a human activities and abuse of a abuse of land resources. Soil pollution. Soil pollution take place when a chemicals pollutant. Soil pollution when a chemical pollutant contaminated the soil or degrade by acts such as which and all act degrade the soil. Let's we see one by one. First, mining, agriculture, farming activities, waste dumping on a land, waste dumping on a land, and industrial activities industrial activities. Usually it happens when a human activities directly or indirectly introduce the determ destructive chemicals substances or objectives into the soil in a way that cause a danger damage to the immediate dangerous to environment. Next, as a consequences as a consequences, soil lose its value of the natural minerals and nu- and the nutrients component. Soil degrade also. Soil degrade also contribute to the soil pollution. Soil degrade also contribute the soil pollution to the and it occurs as a result of the it occurs when a result of the overgrazing overgrazing next overgrazing and overfarming are mining activities. Some disturbance problem. Next, noise pollution. It defines a it defines as a unpleasant and a undisturbed sound level that causes serious discomfort to the all living things. This causes serious discomfort to all living things. It is measured. It is measured in the decibel decibels. It measures in the decibels. Next, discomfort to the all living things. This causes serious discomfort to all living things. It is measured. It is measured in the decibel decibels. It measures in the decibels. Next, it contemporary society. Sorry, in the contemporary society, noise pollution has become a permanent. Noise pollution also became a permanent aspect owing to the daily activities. It became permanent to the daily activities such as transportation, industrial manufacturing, and technology. Such as transportation, industrial manufacturing, and technology. In a in a constraint to the other type of a pollutions. In a constraint to the other type of a pollution. Thermal pollution. It happens when a power plants and industries that use a water as a coolant activities that suddenly decrease or increase in the temperature in a natural water bodies, which may include lake, river, ocean, or a ponds. Reduce the dissolve of a oxygen, reduce dissolved oxygen, increase in a toxicity or poison. The thermal pollution is the discharge of a running hot water from industrial process into a water bodies like a river, lake, seas, etc., which cause a huge damage to aqua organism bodies. Sorry, industrial pollution. Industrial pollution is the pollutant and a waste from the industrial encompass encompass air emission. This deposit of a waste water into deposit it means discharging or leaving a waste water into a water resources landfilling, disposal, and injection to the taxation material undergrounding. Taxic taxic it, taxic materials, it means poisonous materials into a underground. Full stop. Industrial pollutant can be Industrial pollutant can be absurdly damage the plants adversely. Industrial pollutant can adversely damage plants, kills animals, and kills animals, cause a ecosystem, cause ecosystem imbalance, and also our economic, our ecosystem become a imbalance and degradable quality of a life, and also degrading, it means reducing the quality of our human or a plant or organisms life. This and all the types of pollutions. Next, powers of a central government to take a measure to protect and improve the environment. What and all powers and measures taken by the central government to protect and improve the environmental. First, power to issue a directions, power to issue a directions, and next point, power to make a rules. First, power to direction. What and all directions issued by the central government maybe. Let's see one by one. First direction. Direction for the closure. Direction for closure, prohibition or a regulation. Closure, prohibition or a regulation of any industries, any industry operations or a process. Any industries operations or a processes given to directions. For those activities, directions were given. Next, stoppage or a regulation. Stoppage or a regulation of a supply of electricity, water, or a any other services. Stoppage of stoppage or a regulation of a supply of electricity or water or any other services. Next, power to make a rules. Same, central government can make a rules to pertain to following aspects. Pertaining to following aspects. First point, standards of a quality, standards of a quality of a air, water, or a soil for a various aspects and a purposes. Standard of a quality, standard of quality of a air, water, soil for a various area and a purposes. Next point, maximum allowable, maximum allowable concentrate of a various environmental pollutant for a different areas. Maximum allowables, maximum available allowables con- concentration of a various environmental pollutant for a different areas. Next, procedures and safeguards. Procedures are procedures and safeguard for a handling of a hazard substances. Handling of hazard substances. Prohibition and restrictions of a prohibition and restrictions of a hazard substances in a different areas. In a different area, prohibition and restrictions of a hazard substances. Next, prohibition restrictions on a location of a industries carrying on the operations are processes. Prohibition restrictions on a location of a industries and carrying out the operations are a processes and carrying out any operations are a process. And a procedure and a safeguard for a prevention of accident which may cause environmental pollution for a removable measures, redeemable measures. Sorry, last point. Procedures and safeguard. Procedures and a safeguard for a prevention of a accident. Prevention of a accidents of accident which cause a environmental prevention of a accident which cause a environmental pollution and for providing redeemable measures and also providing the redeemable measures. This is the fifth unit of the business regulation. Thank you. Bye. Good luck.